Welcome to Fragrance Alchemy, and today we're going to be talking about factory oils, in particular Hindi factory oils, or shall I say Bangladeshi factory oils. Here we have a classic piece of Agarwood, which I would say probably about 90% of oils that are out there are made from this type of wood. Here, as you can see where it's been inoculated by nails, you can see that kind of dip inside the tree there. This part here they take out and they'll distill, and they can make almost, I would say, around about 3 different types of oil from it. With the white wood, they will make another product called boya, which is like a waxy type of material, but also if you filter that, you can make it into oil version. And also they will use this part of the wood for bukhors. They'll soak it in synthetic oil and make bukhor out of it. Whereas the infected part of the Agarwood, they'll use they'll have three different types. So here we got 2 of those. Here, this is like the first, the top part of the oil, the first few days, and then here we have like, after it's been distilled for a few extra days, you get this kind of darker, more woodier note to it. This one, on the other hand, when it's been freshly distilled, it has this kind of sharp, vinegary, woody tobacco note initially. But I've had this for almost 2 years, and the smell has changed slightly, and there's some more kind of slightly fruitier notes in there. But the tobacco and the woody note is still present, but it's not as strong as it was initially when we distilled it over, I would say, probably 1.5 years now. This particular one is from the same trees and from the same distillation, but it's unfiltered, and it's like the later stage of the distillation, hence why it's darker, and it also has a great quality to it because it has an amazing smoky note to it, and even this one has changed over time. And this is the amazing thing about oud is the longer you, like, I wouldn't say the longer, but the more you mature it and leave it to rest, the better it gets. Even with the lowest grade stuff like this, it does transform quite a bit in comparison to when you first purchased it. Would I wear this as a perfume? No. For me, it just doesn't have the depth and complexity that I'm looking for. Would I use it on perfume to make a perfume? Absolutely. This is really good stuff for making perfumes, and isn't as expensive, obviously, as artisanal stuff. And even with this is a really good one. Actually, it has this beautiful smoky note, which goes really well with making alcohol-based perfumes. Most of the boya, the white wood, the stuff that they make out of that, a lot of the top branded perfume houses use that in their perfumes. So there you have it, whereas me, I wouldn't be using that, no way. When I make my perfumes, it'll be this or this, or even the artisanal stuff, hopefully soon. I'm playing around with some oils at the moment, and experimenting with different types of alcohol and different types of material for utters. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you have any comments, please leave it down below. Anyway, have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.